Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to be talking about Google again, but this time we're going to be talking about the text-to-video app called Veo. Let's dive in. Okay, so at the keynote, Google had a release where they talked about the text-to-video app called Veo, and I'm going to share some of the keynotes with you and then share some of some of the other exciting things that they're talking about. Also, I'm going to share with you how you can join the waitlist.
Our teams have made some incredible progress in generative video. Today, I'm excited to announce our newest, most capable generative video model called Veo. Veo creates high-quality 1080p videos from text, image, and video prompts. It can capture the details of your instructions in different visual and cinematic styles. You can prompt for things like aerial shots of a landscape or a time-lapse, and further edit your videos using additional prompts. You can use Veo in our new experimental tool called VideoFX. We're exploring features like storyboarding and generating longer scenes. Veo gives you unprecedented creative control. Techniques for generating static images have come a long way, but generating video is a different challenge altogether. Not only is it important to understand where an object or subject should be in space, it needs to maintain this consistency over time, just like the car in this video. Veo builds upon years of our pioneering generative video model work, including GQN, Phenaki, Walt, Video Poet, Lumiere, and much more. We combine the best of these architectures and techniques to improve consistency, quality, and output resolution. To see what Veo can do, we put it in the hands of an amazing filmmaker. Let's take a look.
Okay, and so basically it goes on to share Danny Glover, and he's working on using Google AI Veo in one of his films. So it's pretty fascinating stuff there. Let's take back a look over here at some of the images that it was generating here. Like, for instance, this elephant, the crochet elephant. The stuff looks pretty good. It's not as good as Sora. I'll give you guys that. But did you guys see how I was able to click on the extend, and they were able to extend the video for up to a minute long? And also, all these videos they're initially 1080p, so you can use a video upscaler to upscale from there. But look at that. It look just like Banff, Canada. Man, some pretty fascinating stuff. What do you guys think about that? If you go to blog.google, VideoFX that the guy was talking about, because Google's kind of like, they got products here and they just scatter them all over the place. So it's kind of like, where are you going to find Veo at? So VideoFX is our newest experimental tool that lets you turn an idea into a video clip with just text prompt. It's powered by Veo, Google Mind's newest and most capable video generation model, which enables you to create content and captures emotional nuance across the visual styles and produces striking cinematic effects. The experimental tool also comes with storyboard mode that lets you iterate scene by scene and add music to your final video. It's great for quick explorations and creative control. VideoFX is available private preview starting in the US, and you can sign up and join the waitlist. So when you click on the join the waitlist right here, it will take you to this little page here, and then you just click on join the waitlist, and then it will show, tells you a little bit about the program here, and you just fill out the information here with your first, last name, your email, your country, age of 18, link of relevant work. So obviously they're going to give it to people who are already in the creative space first. And then they ask how you found it or whatever. So anyway, that's how you can at least get onto the waiting list. Hopefully you guys can get joined. Here's some more of the outputs of it. Turtle swims through a colorful coral reef. Filtered sunlight flickers in the sun. It looks pretty good. I'm not hating on it at all. I do find it funny. They're going to be competing with LTX Studio, obviously, with the storyboard thought. But it's really great. And they also did on that particular extended scene, they did almost like a minute-long video. But you can scroll through these videos, and look at this. a gliding point of view of a shot of a road biker descending a winding mountain pass, offering breathtaking views. I mean, it looks pretty freaking awesome. A crochet elephant in vibrant colors walking across the savannah. I mean, look at that. That's pretty neat looking. The dance moves look great. Yeah, it's really cool. I'm really, really pumped about this. And if you go to the Google Minds DeepMind YouTube channel, this is a little video they put together. It doesn't have any music, so I'll probably talk about it a little bit. I won't show the whole thing, but you guys can get a hint of what it's doing. So this is a 1 minute and 22 second video. Probably a little shorter than that, the actual video stuff. They have some text at the end where that shows the prompts that they used. So you can see kind of like a sci-fi neon world here. It's going to zoom into like a car, and it's going to kind of follow the car along the way. Funny note, 11 Labs actually did a music to this, and then so they made like a music video out of this. So the car looks pretty cool, driving through, like a futuristic Tokyo style location. Wet roads. The roads look great wet. I mean, it's this is blurred, but the cars are going fast, so you can kind of get away with that. I think the cars themselves look cool. Definitely looks like if you were going for this style, it looks really cool for that particular style. Here's what I think is really neat. It goes through these tunnels here, and then all of a sudden, bam! Look at that. That's fantastic. I mean, it still looks video game-ish, but it looks really good. And here's the prompts they used. Let's pause that. So, a fast tracking shot through a busting dystopian sprawl with bright neon signs, flying cars, mist night, lens flare of voltaic lighting, a fast tracking shot through a futuristic dystopian sprawl, the same thing, I guess. And then a neon hologram of a car driving at top speed of light cinematic, incredible details of voltaic lighting. The cars leave the tunnel back into the real world of City, Hong Kong. That's what I've got for now. What do you guys think about this? Is this pretty fascinating to you all? Are you guys pumped about the Google Veo? Hopefully we'll be able to get access to it sooner than Sora, it looks like anyway. And from what I'm hearing with Sora, it's going to be pretty expensive. So hopefully that part's not true. But I'm hoping that by the end of the year we have access to both of them. So that's my thoughts. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. And also, I hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you for all the love and support.